Simple and delicious chicken dinners don't have to break the bank. Today, we're making Misoyaki chicken. This video explores a budget-friendly chicken recipe that is perfect for busy weeknights and can be easily customized to your taste. We can serve this with some rice and mac salad, or give it some greens and vegetables too. This chicken recipe is super easy to make, so let's get cooking. We'll start with our miso paste. I'm using this miso paste from Trader Joe's. Scoop about 5 to 6 tablespoons of the miso paste, and then add a quarter cup of mirin. Mix this all together. And then add 3 chicken thighs. Make sure everything is covered in the marinade. And then let marinate for at least 30 minutes for best results. On a cast iron or a grill pan, we can grill these for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side. Before flipping, and allowing to cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. Once the chicken has hit at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, we can remove it from the grill and repeat for the rest of the chicken. This smells really good, and the grill just gives it that nice char. Repeating for the rest of the chicken. Once all our chicken is cooked, we can chop it up into nice pieces. This does generate a little bit of smoke, so be sure to leave a window open or use your fan. Give that chicken a chop. And just look at how juicy that chicken is. Yum. And boom, you have Misoyaki chicken. This was so easy to make, and basically no prep work. We can of course serve this with some mac salad and rice. Be sure to check out the videos in the description below for how to make mac salad. My favorite way to cook this is for meal prep. 3 chicken thighs makes about 4 servings, but feel free to scale this recipe as well to make more. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.